If you are among the new set of people that just woke up one day and you could not find Pindodo app on your mobile phone, and maybe due to the fact that you lost your phone and during the process you got another one, or you try to upgrade your phone and you got another one, so you really want to install the apps back that includes you downloading Pindodo, and you go to your Play Store for those people who are using Android, and you come here to search for Pindodo app, and funny enough you could not even see it. Maybe you have a lot of transaction, maybe pending transactions, or you want to do a new transactions, and this has been causing a lot of troubles, and you could not see it on the Play Store presently. Yes, that is true. Yeah, they remove it, but we don't know the reason why the Pindodo management team have to remove the app from Play Store for those people who are using Android. But the fact still remains that this app is available on iPhone. Now let me open my camera here. Okay, now this is my camera and this is the phone on iPhone. Now I'm going to be, let me just search for Pindodo here for you to show that, for you to show you that this app is available on iPhone. Those people who are using iPhone, the app is available. You can see it here that this is the first one that we have Pindodo here. But nevertheless, I'm going to be showing you, this is it here. I'm going to be showing you how you can also download it on the Android version. All right. So before we head over to how to download it, get to meet me personally. This is Zion of Logistics. Here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation business. So if you want to go into the business, maybe you want to really learn more about importation business on how it works, or you want us to help you procure some items from China directly to Nigeria or any of your countries, or you want more clarification about shipping companies, how you can use your shipping company yourself, how you can do mini importation without any agent at all, please, we are available for consultation and mentorship. We will be able to put you through on things you need to know, how you need to do it, how you want to do it. So this is my screen, this is my number displaying on the screen right now, so you'll be able to reach me directly on WhatsApp. All right, so let's dive into the video. Now you will head over to your browser. Please make sure it's Chrome. That is what I always advise people. Chrome browser, make sure it's updated. So you want to come here, then you input the Pindodo website. Now please, I'm going to be leaving the link, so should in case of those people who find it difficult to find the link, just check the comment section or check the description button. I'm going to be leaving the link there. So this is the link here. Make sure it is written the way I wrote this one here. Please, I'm begging you, because you are not going to be getting it if it is not written in this format here. All right, let me try to circle it so you'll be able to get what I'm saying. The app is not that difficult. All right, so this is the format that you are going to be using. Make sure that you have this M before Pindodo, but I'm just going to be leaving the link under the comment section. All right, so once you input it like this, you are going to click on go. All right, so it will takes you directly to, let me try to translate this page so you'll be able to see it. That's why I said I always recommend you download Chrome. So Chrome, it is very very easy to download the app on the Chrome. All right, so let me try to refresh this page so you'll be able to translate it. Once it's translated, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. All right, it has already translated. Now to download this app, you just want to come here, you click on this guy here, this their PDD logo itself. Please, this is what you should click on. All right, I hope you can presently see what I'm clicking on there. Let me try to change it to another color so you'll be able to see what I'm navigating through. So you click on that logo. Once you click on it, it is just the same method to download 1688 app too. You know 1688 app is not on Pindodo as well, on Play Store. I already recorded the video on it. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button as well on how to download it. So it's the same process. So once you click on it here, it's going to load it. It's going to load up and takes you to this page. Now this is where you want to download it. Let me help you in translating this page again to be able to see everything in English. Okay, so now you can see it here where I'm presently pointing this. Let me switch this guy up, where I'm presently pointing this guy to, so you'll be able to see it. Now this is the app here. It is available here. This is where you are going to be downloading it, where we have download immediately. Once you click on it, it will download it directly as if you are downloading music. So let me click on it now, and once I click on it, it's going to download automatically. All right, it can take a few moments, but just leave it. You can see this is what is going to be bringing. So you will click download anyway. All right, you will click on allow, then you click on try again. All right, you click on allow, then once it comes directly, you can see that it's downloading the file now. So once you will click on the file to be able to see the full details of what you are downloading. So you can see presently here that the app is downloading, and you really need to make sure you wait till this app download completely. All right, so this is it presently now, and it's presently downloading. So let's quickly wait for this guy to finish downloading. I think the app is not even too much safe. This is it. It's presently downloading, and the MB is just 31 MB. Not, is not that much. So once you are downloading it, you just wait. So let's just wait during the video. So like I've said before, now I'm going to be leaving it under the description button on how to download 1688 app. Then I have a video on how you can use your ATM card to make a purchase on Pindoudou. Yes, it is very much possible. So once, I'm going to also be leaving the video under the comment section and under the description button. Go and watch it. You can start making use of your ATM card. So if you try it and it's not working, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp for more clarification and more explanation on the tutorial. All right, so let me just wait. It's almost done in downloading. So we have the complete course on the Pindoudou app on how you can shop without any third party. It includes you yourself, where you are buying from, the seller itself, and the shipping company. So it is a complete tutorial. If you are interested, you are going to be getting the full course, and you'll be able to do it yourself, buy RMB yourself, buy everything yourself. What you need to know, how to dictate fake suppliers. All right, so I think the video has already downloaded now. So once it is done downloaded, you click on the what you downloaded, and you are going to install it. All right, you will wait till the app install successfully. Once it's done installing, you are going to open it directly. All right, there's no magic anywhere. It is what you are watching now you are going to be getting. There is no other process to it. So you can see now that the process is done already. So I'm going to click on open now to open this PDD app. So that is just the magic you can see here. So if I'm to translate this app now, it is just a welcome message. So I'm going to click on this green icon. Just make sure you click on that green, and boom, you already have your Pindoudou app downloaded on your phone. So you can now go ahead to proceed in registering with doing your registration or connecting it back to your um WeChat account. So if you are struggling to get a WeChat, we also sell WeChat accounts. You can reach out to my DM to get a WeChat account from me. All right, so I think we've come to the end of this video now. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.